Okay, so right now, all around our planet, there's this invisible force field, and it's incredibly powerful. It's part of a silent cosmic battle that's been raging for billions of years. And honestly, it's the only reason any of us are here. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on Earth's invisible bodyguard.
So, what is it? I mean, you might be thinking the atmosphere or maybe the ozone layer. And yeah, those are absolutely critical. But there's another shield, one that's way bigger, way more powerful, and operates on a scale that is just, well, it's almost impossible to wrap your head around. Before we can really appreciate the shield, we have to understand the threat. Because every single second of every day, our planet is under assault from this relentless barrage of cosmic radiation.
Now, when you hear the word rays, you probably think of light, like sun rays. But that is not what these are, not even close. Cosmic rays are actual physical particles, mostly protons, blasted out from exploding stars called supernovas. They get sent careening across the galaxy at almost the speed of light.
Yeah, so think of them less like rays and more like cosmic bullets. Seriously, they're moving with so much energy they can punch right through the metal hull of a spaceship and your body without even slowing down. And on a cellular level, they can literally shred your DNA, causing all sorts of mutations. Without some kind of protection, complex life on Earth would be completely, totally impossible.
So how does the universe protect us from this constant bombardment? Well, it turns out it has this brilliantly clever defense system. I want you to imagine a vast cosmic-scale pinball machine. And this entire game is governed by one simple rule, a physical principle called the Lorentz force. It's the secret to our planet's entire defense strategy. Okay, so here's how it works. Cosmic rays, remember, are charged particles. And the Lorentz force basically says that when a charged particle, our cosmic bullet, tries to cross a magnetic field, it just can't go in a straight line. The field kind of grabs it and forces it into a spiral. So it's not a wall that stops it. It's more like an invisible current that just redirects it somewhere else. So what that means is, a cosmic ray that gets fired from some distant supernova doesn't just travel in a straight line to us. Nope. Instead, it gets caught in the galaxy's magnetic field, and it bounces and spirals around for millions of years, just like a ball dropped into a giant pachinko or pinball machine, losing energy the whole time.
But wait, the story gets even better. Our defense isn't just one big magnetic field. It's actually this super sophisticated, multi-layered system. It's like a fortress with multiple walls, each one protecting the one inside it.
The best way to visualize this is to think of an onion. You have to peel back multiple layers to get to the center, which is our planet. And each layer filters out more and more of the incoming threat. It all comes down to these three shields. First, you've got the massive galactic field. Think of this as the city wall of the Milky Way. It deflects the most powerful rays long before they even get near our neighborhood. Then, a bit closer to home, we have the heliosphere. That's the magnetic bubble our sun creates, and it acts like the house door for our entire solar system. And finally, there's our own personal magnetosphere, our planet's body armor, which catches the few particles that actually make it through and funnels them toward the poles, which, as a bonus, creates the beautiful auroras. It's an incredible system, right? But to truly appreciate it, let's just imagine for a second, what would happen if it all just vanished? What would a world without this protection actually look like? On the left, that's our world, stable, protected, with a thriving biosphere. But on the right, an exposed Earth. Well, that would be a nightmare. We'd be facing a constant bombardment of high-energy particles. That would lead to serious atmospheric damage, a shredded ozone layer, and just skyrocketing mutation rates for all life on the surface. Not good. This single number, this says it all. This three-layered shield is so incredibly effective that over 99% of all cosmic rays are deflected before they even get a chance to touch our atmosphere. It's an almost perfect defense system. So, our planet isn't just some habitable rock floating in space. It's a fortress. It's protected by layers of invisible armor on a galactic scale. And it really makes you wonder, as we search the cosmos for signs of life, maybe we're not just looking for water in the right temperature. Maybe the most important question is, are we looking for planets that are also hiding inside a cosmic fortress?